Find or read reviews that people are talking about DORMZIE Cordless Tire Inflator Air Compressor. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that powerful cordless air compressor. Enjoy the freedom of cordless inflation with our ST189CD air pump. Powered by a powerful 20-volt rechargeable Li-ion battery, it delivers quick and efficient tire inflation. Constructed with a robust metal cylinder and gear, it operates with a 2x faster inflation speed and plus 30% more power than regular pumps. With a max pressure of 150 psi, it can work continuously for 20 minutes, easily handling 4 tire inflations at once. Auto shut-off and digital pressure control. Set your desired air pressure effortlessly by turning the knob, simpler and quicker than button presses. Our air compressor will automatically shut off upon reaching the target pressure, eliminating concerns of overinflation. The clear digital pressure gauge supports 4-unit switches, ensuring easy and accurate monitoring with an accuracy of ±1 psi for precise inflation every time. Dual power assurance. ST189CD tire inflator not only features a 20-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery for cordless convenience but also includes a 12-volt car power adapter, providing a dual power solution for your travels. With the dependable 12-volt DC adapter as an alternative power source, you don't need to worry about the battery running out during your journey. Versatile inflation capability. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi, our DORMZIE tire inflator is your reliable and versatile companion for various inflation needs. Whether it's your car, motorcycle, bicycle, sports equipment like balls, or even decorative balloons, this portable handheld air pump is designed to handle it all. Please note that it's not suitable for large truck tires. Compact and portable design. The tire air compressor features a handheld, portable design that can be easily stored in your car. Your purchase includes a cordless tire inflator, a 20-volt lithium-ion battery pack, a 12-volt car power adapter, a battery charger, 6 nozzles, a user manual, and a tool bag for convenient storage. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.